All right. Welcome to the Game Engine stream. I'm still setting some stuff up right now. I just wanted to hop in early so that if anyone's waiting on me, they know I'm trying to get online. Sorry about being a bit late. But yeah, I'm just setting up my VTuber. There we go. Yeah, you can see I'm using VTuber Studio. It's a good app for this though. Let me move this really quick. Got a few more little things to take care of. Probably give me, let's see. Maybe give me like 2 minutes. Yeah, about 2 minutes. I'll be right back. Actually, I don't know if anyone's watching it, but I might restart the stream really quick. Just give me a moment. No, actually, should I restart the stream? I only want to restart the stream because the title is kind of inaccurate, but I guess it can stay. It's not really that big of a deal. If anyone has any questions, I can just answer them at the stream. And I'm gonna change the title on YouTube anyways. So it should be fine. Just getting a few more administrative things set up. I usually do this before stream, but I wanted to make sure I got on somewhat at the right time. Ensure all other audio sources are muted. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, one thing I'm gonna get those. I don't know if you guys know about the Epic games. It's pretty fairly common knowledge. If you use Epic, they give the free games, and they give a free game every day in December. So I'm just grabbing those really quick. Requires the base game, huh? Hey, I'm good. Never mind. Okay. All right. I think I'm ready. Let's go ahead and start the stream. Alright, so welcome to the Game Engine stream. Today is Monday, the 23rd of December. It's the 53rd stream, I think. Yeah, I'm tired of saying that, I think. Let me be sure. Yeah, let me make sure really quick. Yeah. 52 was the last video, so this is the 53rd stream. There we go. So yeah, welcome to the 53rd stream. It's been a few days since I've been on. Let me head over to my update section and we can start from there. Past few days, I missed the last 2 days of the week. Thursday and Friday last week, I had to go out and it was a family thing. So yeah, after that, I have been working on Linux kind of lightly, but I did make some decent progress with it. If you check out the Linux branch, you can kind of see where I'm at, but basically at this point, the editor works. Right now, I'm just dealing with some errors. And then these errors are more along the line of my, how do I say? Whenever I close the application, it segfaults. That's kind of annoying, but the rest of the application still kind of works, which is good. I was kind of struggling getting the application to open prior, but now everything basically works. I'm just kind of roughing out some kinks, if that makes sense. But yeah, that should be done pretty soon. I'm pretty sure going along with the progress board, I should be done with Linux along the same time that I finish dealing with networking and Pong, and then everything can kind of just line up correctly, which would be really nice. But yeah, Linux has been making progress. I don't really have any other updates at the moment. I suppose I was talking about a YouTube video, I think maybe like 10 or 20 streams. I don't know, probably like 10 streams ago or so. I was going to make a YouTube video covering like devlogs. I kind of got not burnt out, but like I got so tired of working with DaVinci Resolve and like getting super into the editing, since it was my first time really making a video like that in that software, or just in general that well edited. Right, so I was thinking I might do a bit less of an edited version of the devlogs, where maybe I'll set up some like slides, kind of like if you're in school and you got like your PowerPoint, and I might just run straight through the slides and then see if I can make it like a shorter video, if that makes sense. And I'll just talk, and that might not be the most interesting angle I could go about it with the videos, but I can get them out faster and I don't have to worry about having all the editing being perfect, if that makes sense. And also that way I can kind of talk it through and it'll be more natural. I can kind of like get into it in a way that's more, how do I say, more genuine, I guess, instead of being so edited and so, I don't know, like artificial, I guess. So I'm gonna try that out, see how that works. I haven't really gotten too far into that, so I'll see when I plan on getting those devlogs in. But that's my, how do I say, that's where I'm at with that at this point, right? So I don't think I have anything else to say at this point, so let's go ahead and get into the actual stream. We'll start at the progress board. Let me go ahead and open up my screen. You can kind of see my code. Let me pull really quick just to make sure I'm not behind or anything. I don't think I am, but yeah, okay. All right, let's check out the progress board. All right, so last stream got the grid in along with all the debug lines. Of course, there's more things I could probably add in that area, but I think where I landed last stream was pretty good. So this stream, and also the orthographic camera, I got that fully set up last stream, and I'm really happy I got that finished, because that was kind of a thorn in my behind. And now that it's dealt with, it's like, okay, now the feature's in, cool. Yeah, if you get what I'm saying. And it's nice. It's nice to be able to move around the viewport and have all the toolbar and everything set up. So, ooh, and the automatic resizing of the UI. That one's really nice as well. Anyways, so now we're going to work on Gizmos, and then hopefully after that we can work on text rendering. text rendering is going to be a whole thing. I have a few plans for how I'm going to tackle that. And there's a few specific issues I need to deal with in that area, so I'll kind of get more into that once we reach that point. But Gizmos, I'm hoping it won't be too long. Basically, I mean, you've seen me use Gizmos, or I'm assuming if you've seen my previous streams, you've seen me use Gizmos when I'm moving around the entities inside of my main viewport. That's essentially what I'm trying to bring over to the UI editor. Essentially, it is when you have a text widget, you have a little arrow, right? And since it's orthographic, or it's a 2D Cartesian plane, right? Or quote unquote Cartesian, I don't know. You have the x-axis, and then you have the y-axis, right? And then you can move the widget up and down, or left and right, using the gizmo. Instead of having to go over here and use the slider, you can just click on it, press W, and then pull it up and down, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's not really much else to say about that. I'm not gonna make it from scratch. I have a library that I use to set up Gizmos, so I'm just going to get everything working, and maybe we can move on. So let me go ahead and do that, and let's get to work. All right. Well, let's go ahead and see where we left off last time. I was pretty happy with where we left off last time, honestly. So yeah, we're starting on a good note. Starting on a good note this stream. Let's take a look at I haven't looked at the overall plan in a while. So once we finish Gizmos and we fix text rendering, we're gonna add some widgets to support the networking issues, right? And then we'll be done with the runtime UI refactor. This has been a long time coming. Hopefully we're getting towards the tail end of it. The networking issues, I guess I'm just waiting for it to compile, so. Oh, I didn't know if I added this, but I guess I did. Basically, I want to refactor sessions and deal with packet interpolation. This part is basically the UI stuff that I'm dealing with right now. I need to get those widgets out and available, and then just use them. And there's also some session code I need to refactor, but that session code is not the most complicated. I'll get into it when we start working on that. But essentially, I need the UI set up before I can really make any headway with this. And this packet interpolation thing, this is something that I'm probably gonna have to plan a bit more intensely once I get to this point. But I don't anticipate it being like the worst thing ever. Basically, I need to make sure that when you're playing a multiplayer game between Paddle 1 and Paddle 2, the packets that are, maybe I can draw it. Again, I'm just filling time, filling files, but the idea is you'll have your Pong, right, and then you'll have your paddle, right here, right? And let me get my drone. All right, so we're sending network packets for, like I said, say we are client B, right? And we're receiving packets from client A, right? So packets are going here. These packets that are received on B side from A are the location information of this paddle, right? So this location information comes in discrete packets. It's every so and so amount of milliseconds depending on the latency, right? So you need to make sure that, like, if you have a large latency, or even if you have a normal latency, there's always going to be sort of a gap in time where this player is moving and then this paddle moves, right? And then it's going to jump that makes sense. So it's going to jump from this space to this space. From B's perspective. Whoa. So I need to make sure that B has some way of interpolating between these two states. And this becomes really important when the distance between the packets get more and more noticeable, or for normal terms, lag, or right. If it lags, right, we need to handle that accordingly. We need to have some packet interpolation. Yeah, that's pretty much the issue. So I have a few ideas on how I'm going to fix that, but we'll get into that later. All right, so let's take a compile. Let's go ahead and check where we left off. All right. So, nope. I always do that. Maybe you gotta figure out a way to card that or something. I don't know. Alright, anyways. Yeah, last stream I figured out that we're able to move the camera around. I can reset the camera, which is really nice. I just gotta ask for my family. Okay. They're fine. Alright. Just doing their group chat thing. It's pretty chill. Alright, so the grid works, it subdivides accordingly. We can go up to 50 if you want. I don't know why you would, but I guess you can do that. I feel like if you want to be this granular, you probably want the pixel perfect grid. But I can see a world where you might need this. Might add some keyboard shortcuts too to be able to modify that. I don't know. But yeah, it seems like everything's working. Everything's doing good. So let's go ahead and add these gizmos. Oh yeah, and then also I wanted to maybe add some better resizing options. Maybe like a pixel perfect version versus a pixel perfect versus a proportional size of the widgets. I don't think I'm going to bother adding like relative constraints because I don't know, it doesn't really make sense. Or the size. I mean, I suppose you could, I guess. You could add variables and constraints, but that's going above and beyond for like no reason. I'm not here to make a perfect UI editor. I'm here to make a game and a game engine, so we'll get what's needed. But yeah, it looks like it's fine. So let's go ahead and get into Gizmo code, which I think I was taking a look at last time. And let me see if I can get my bearings again. I think it was in the main window, or sorry, in the viewport panel. That'll take a second to load. Okay, so we got, yeah, this is Gizmos. If edit or simulate, then we can access Gizmos. Okay, that's cool. Selected entity. Okay, and this is all the Gizmo code. So I believe I read this last time, but let me do one more read of this just to make sure I fully understand what's going on. So it looks like we're manipulating it in 3D space. Okay. Okay, so okay, I think I get what's going to go on here. Basically, what we want is we're going to manipulate it, and then once we manipulate it, we're going to decompose the transform. We're going to get its current translation, rotation, scale. Right. That's fun. All right, so we're going to decompose transform, and then we can get the rotation out of it. I don't really care about the rotation. The only thing here that I want is the translation. So we're going to get the absolute transform of that particular object. And then once we have the transform of that object, then we can kind of reverse engineer that back into its appropriate location, whether we're using pixels or we're using, how do I say, whether we're using pixels or we're using percentages, right, based off of a constraint. Yeah, reversing that's going to be interesting though. There's going to be a lot of going backwards in the math for how I calculate the window position versus the and all that. Yeah, I'm thinking about the math for that. That's going to be interesting. Because this one's easy. We just push the translation straight in. But yeah, we're going to have to do a little bit of stuff here. Okay, well. End screen viewport bounds. What is this? End screen viewport bounds. Okay. Okay, yeah. I'm wondering if I store this. I'm pretty sure I store this data on my UI editor viewport. Because I think I need this data for everything to run. Okay, no, I do. Cool. Alright, so we got the bounds. We have the camera projection, so that's fine. We have the camera's view matrix, we can get that as well. That's fine. Entity transform. Okay, this is the part that's interesting. Transform, huh? Because yeah, we need the absolute transform of it, and it says a map for. I suppose I could create a transform on the fly. I mean, it wouldn't be that hard. If we have the position data, and this transform is in world coordinates, right? So we just specify a particular location in the world, and then we'll do all the camera stuff later. So that's not a problem. Snap value. Oh, these are all the snap values, right? I just figure out a way to clean this up, honestly. If I'm Gizmo is using, as in did the manipulate happen, and then we'll go ahead and deput. Okay. Okay. All right. So I think for the most, okay, the only thing I'm having trouble with is this transform here. And I'm under the assumption that this transform actually does need to be like in world coordinates proper. I think that's an assumption that this manipulate function probably makes in order for the linear algebra to work. So yeah, okay, the only piece of the puzzle that I feel like I'm missing here is this transform. I just need to figure out how I'm going to get this for a particular selected widget. So I do have its position calculated from, let me think. Yeah, no. I do have its position calculated. What's up with this rotation and scale? Oh, okay. So you take the transform and then it decomposes into these three. Got you. And then we. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I think I can get the transform matrix by getting the position data, and then working that onto an identity matrix. Then I'll get the transform matrix. And then I can feed that into here. And then I just need to figure out some way to go backwards. Okay. I think that's everything. I think I'm able to do everything here. Okay, one thing though is I might want to abstract some of this code maybe. Well, I guess it's fine for now. I'll clean it up in a moment. Let me head over to the UI editor viewport, and of course this thing is occurring at the end of the editor UI render. So let's go to the analogous location over here. And then let's go and make this into a function. Why not? Draw gizmo. I don't think I need any local data. Okay, space that there. There's gonna be some errors. It's fine. And gizmo type. Oh, right, because this is a, yeah. If I'm not mistaken, gizmo type is just an integer. So int gizmo type is -1. Yep. I was about to say. You don't know what ints are? Unfortunate. Alright. So toolbar overlay. Do I want this to go on top? Yeah, I do. Yeah. Do I? No, actually I don't want this drawn over the toolbar. Also, this is an GUI thing. Oh, whatever. I'll figure it out. Alright. So, a few changes. First thing is, this is definitely orthographic. We have to draw a list. We still have these bounds. This is still going to be accurate. Some type, if selected entity, this has to change. So we're not worried about this anymore. But we do want to check if we have a selected window or widget. So I think I do something similar in the little viewport outline. I think. Not viewport outline. Draw. Okay, let's do draw overlay and then draw debug lines, I guess. Somewhere in here we check if we have a widget in a window. Yeah, this one. So you want this one. Alright. Alright. And I know people disagree with this style of coding, but I like this, honestly. So whatever. Not like the early out thing. And I get why you wouldn't want to do this, because I mean, like CPU issues, also it's sometimes better, more like it's easier to catch issues if you let the logic flow instead of earling out. But I feel like this is much more readable. Makes my brain feel better. Okay, so we need to make sure that we have an active window. Definitely. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go with a widget. We're not going to worry about windows yet. Or actually... Hold on. No, you know what? We're just gonna do Windows for now. I say Windows is the easier case now that I think about it. Its position data is way easier to deal with. Alright. Alright, and Gizmo type is not equal to -1. Yeah, I need some better. Should I abstract the Gizmo stuff? Not worry about it. Never mind. Alright. Gizmo. Alright, yeah, we got the camera projection matrix. That's still accurate. Yeah, the only difference is I just need to make sure this, and also I don't care about this. Transform component. Oh, okay, so this is relying on a transform component. And this nabs its transform, so we're not doing that. I think instead of doing this, what I'm going to do... Oh, did the music stop? Hold on, let me see. Okay, let's get rid of this transform component. Okay, that should break this, I believe. Yeah, okay. So, get a window. So in this case, I believe it is, no, this, no. M transform has to be equal to something else. Math 4. So I believe the constructor builds an identity matrix, and then we're gonna multiply it. BLM translates. So it takes in a map 4. I guess I'll just put an identity matrix. And then we just have the translation. That's pretty easy. Outputs in map 4. So we don't have to do any of this. Alright, so now we just need the translation of the window. And that is interesting. Oh wait, actually, I think I have an easy way of doing that now that I think about it. Hold on. Window... calc position. Oh, but we need the viewport data, right? Were we about to say AI? There we go. This is the width. Okay, yeah, width and height. There we go. Okay, so this I can just chuck straight in here since I don't need it anywhere else. Or maybe it'd be easier to read right here. What does this return anyways? Math vec 3. Cool, it takes a vec 3 as well. Nice. I was worried about it if I needed a vec 4 because of some W thing, but I guess not. Math vec 4. Position. Window position. calc position. What is the widget calc position? I always forget. Widget calc position. Yeah, it just needs the Windows translation, and then it can go from there. Oh, and the Windows size. Yeah, not too bad. All right, window position, and we're good. Everything else should just pass through, right? I'm not worried about the rotation or anything like that. Decompose transform. A bunch of math I don't fully understand. Matrix is orthonorm. I really wish I understood this, honestly. I gotta take another run through my linear algebra to understand this. Set it cast a T. What is this, templated? Using T as float. What? What is this? Using T is equal to float. Just put float. What? It just obfuscates the code. Like, what? I don't. I guess people that work in math like to be very like terse, but I hate it. It's like, why? Using namespace GLM. Okay. This too. I don't. Well, okay. I mean, I get these sometimes though. My OCD is kicking in, so I gotta deal with it. Uninitialized memory row, huh? Okay, we got some math going on here, and I'm not currently using this. This is gonna be in my thing anyway, so. Or how do I say it? It's gonna be my. Oh, wait. Let's get rid of this. It's going to be in my Git history. That's what I meant to say. Okay, and I know this is like the C way of doing this, but at this point, I just like doing this. Float like this. Epsilon float, okay. Nope, not that. Float. Okay. Alright, right. This has no bearing on what I'm actually doing. It's just some refactoring, but it's real quick. Hopefully. Okay, for me that's way easier to read. So, I don't know. And also this, I don't like these inline things. No AI stuff. Okay. All right, there we go. Nice. All right, got a little sidetracked there. Anyways, basically we need to get the new translation and then figure out how to set it. because essentially we're using the original translation that we calculate from here, right, to get kind of world position of window position. And then we use that transform because we need the world position along with the camera view matrix, camera projection matrix. Everything needs to be in the same coordinate system in order for this to work. But once we reach this point and we've decomposed, we've gotten the translation or the transform back out, or translation is what I meant. We want to, it's in world space, we want to move it back into like solar proportional space, if that makes sense. So I think what I might do is I might just make another function here that calculates backwards, if that makes sense. So you can provide it a world space, and then of course you still need to provide the viewport with to make the calculations, but you'll be able to go backwards. Yeah. So let's see. I think the first thing we're going to do though is let me just print out the transform. So we'll say transform dot, or maybe I'll do kg trace info. Do translation x translation translation.z. Okay. Okay, let's see if this gizmo even pops up. I'm using it, right? Yeah, I am using it. Okay. Try it out. And while that's going, let me see if I can find any errors in my ways. Yeah, the camera projection will be the same. There's like a snapping thing, that's cool. I really should take a stronger look at some Gizmo docs. You know what? That's exactly what I'm gonna do. What a nice Gizmo. Dang, that's really cool. Got a little spline thing going. I think he just throws in a sequencer. Like, hey, why not? You want a sequencer too with the Gizmo? Hey, graph editor. Oh, that's really cool. VCP package. VC package. Interesting. Yeah, I know there's a bunch of different libraries that do that stuff too. Like I know EC what is it? ENT has a bunch of stuff you can use. Anyways. Oh yeah, that's right. It's not going to display unless I change its state. So let's go to the viewport. And I think the input events, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if there's like a keyboard event in particular here. Okay, this just passes it along the camera, sure. On key press to enter. Okay, yeah, this is what I wanted. Escape deselects it, and then tab QWE. So toggle camera movement type. I don't care, but this one's cool. But this is the viewport. Okay, let's just take this whole thing. Okay, let's head over to the on key pressed. If one exists, I don't know. Does one exist here? I actually don't think so. I know I have an on input event. Does the window get an on key pressed event? Oh, it does, okay. And then based on the current panel selected, we can do some things, I believe. Okay, so this is the window. I might want to... Yeah, okay. So we're gonna do properties? Viewport panel. There we go. Okay, and then we're gonna do on key pressed. Oh, we don't have it here. Okay. Okay, well, hold on. There's a few things I need to do. Okay, first thing I need to go to the viewport panel. Let's paste this for a second. And I know this looks silly. I'm just gonna put this. Bring that over. Let's head over to the viewport. And let's toss this in. Okay. Let's link this out. I need both. There we go. Let's go ahead and generate that for me. And then now I can paste this in. Okay. Cool. And I can get rid of this tab stuff. I don't care about this tab stuff. Okay, and then we're just going to say and Gizmo type. Right? Yep. Okay. Okay, so yeah, these return true, as in they handled it. Otherwise, it returns false. Which, I mean, it would just fall through and... would it? That's kind of dangerous, isn't it? Let's just return false, just in case. And then maybe instead of doing this, we can just default to false. Okay. And now... I think I have some way of checking which window is, or which panel is selected. Basically, this code should work now, but I need to call it. So I need to figure out how to call this. I'm going to call it in the UI editor window, since this is what owns that panel. I just need to figure out how to call it. So let's see. Where do I handle this? Is it in the main window, I think? I think it's main window. I do something where I handle the different inputs in the panels. I just gotta remember where. Yeah, I think it's this. We throw to the correct on input events, depending on... And this is... Okay, no, that's right. That's the viewport panel. Yeah. Okay. Is if focus is equal to m viewport name, then okay. Okay. Let's head back to the right here. This one. On the pressed editor, right? And then this is going to be equal to handled. And then we'll say if handled. Okay. Right, because we don't need to handle these. So yeah, this is just going to check if the window name matches. I know this is really inefficient since I'm checking strings and whatnot, but GUI only exposes functions for returning the name of the window. I could maybe expose another function for getting the either the pointer or the, I think they store like a handle somewhere, so maybe I could figure out a way to expose the handle, and then I could just use the handle to delineate between the different windows. But for now, it is what it is. It's fine. It's not killing my performance, so I think it's the editor anyways. Should be fine. Okay, so yeah, we do this and then we throw it on key pressed, and then we just do that. You'll check alt. I think all it does is check alt, so I don't need control and shift here. Just add a comment. Yeah, it doesn't know what. No. Clear reset gizmo. Wait. Let's put it right here. Reset gizmo type. There we go. Yeah. And then now here, space that out really quick. Yeah, I guess so, yeah. I guess so. Alright, so in theory this should work. Yeah, in theory this should work. So let's see. And basically what I should see is a million. Oh, let me not be that hyperbolic. A lot of console logs and toasts going crazy, notification toasts going crazy in the bottom right corner. And as long as I get that, the next step after that will be, like, I know I'm getting the world space information. I need to go into the code for calculating the window location using the viewport, and I need to kind of reverse engineer it. Like just reverse it so that now I can generate. It was wrong. Oh yeah. So now that I can set the position based on like world space coordinates instead of the other way around where I use all my constraints and all my window location and my viewport location to generate the widget and window location in world space. Now I'm giving it the world space and it's going to go the opposite direction. Yeah. But yeah, I'm really hoping to see some Gizmos. Okay, so it is there. It's just having some issues, I guess. Interesting. Oh wait, no, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah. The rotation is here. Which now that I think about it, I don't want rotation. I just realized that. Where is the W though? Is it because I set it to orthographic? Maybe that's why? I don't know. That could be the reason actually. So two things that let me go back. First thing is I don't want rotation, so let's get rid of that. Okay, we just want translate. The other thing is when we go to the gizmo code, which is somewhere, I don't know. We're in the viewport panel, aren't we? Yeah, we are. Alright, so let's not set it to orthographic for now. I might reread the docs and see what I'm doing wrong, but for now, let's leave that alone. I think Gizmo handles the case where like this is set as false. It's kind of in a 3D space, but if it is being seen right on, the projection's fine, I believe. Oh, you know what? Maybe setting it to orthographic messes up. Hold on. Wait, actually. Does he have, like, explanation of this? Default is false. Local versus world. Yeah, because you want, right? Yeah, this is just the external API. This is a pretty short API. I like this. I know I have random code in here, but sure. Oh wait, are these function definitions? These are GUI input float 3. That's cool. Okay, well, let's see if that works. You know, the better one to check is test UI. Yeah, wait, what? Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. I know what's wrong. Yeah, okay. Wait, so how do I... Okay, because we have alt, right? Here. Sure. When did I add R? I didn't see R anywhere in there. Or maybe I'm just blind, I don't know. Seems like it works. Maybe it's just displaying in the wrong place? No. Yeah, that's weird. What is calculate position doing anyways? Maybe this translate is wrong? I don't know where we... Is manipulate, is this where we draw the gizmo? Actually not sure where we draw it. Set draw list, and then we have the M, select bounds, yeah. Okay. The camera, which is the M measure camera, get the projection, yeah, yeah. Get view matrix, yep, yep. The window, calculate position, yep. Transform. Maybe I'll step through the code and see what's going on. I might be forgetting something. Let me go to the right of the viewport panel. The Gizmo is using and not alt, then reset. Yeah, it's not using an alt. Yep. Fine. Or, where's the R? I have QWE. Where's R? This is working. Oh, wait. I guess I handle R somewhere else. Why? Okay, and then here's the normal place where I handle it. Yep. No more occurrences. Okay, odd. Very odd. Okay, there's a number of things that could be going wrong, but it's just it's interesting that the rotation still worked kind of earlier. Do I need to worry about scale? Wait, is it a scale issue? No, but that doesn't, I don't think that messes with, like, even if it gets really small, I think it's still fine, as far as my understanding. Because if I go here and check this out, right? I go here, and then I make it really small. Yeah, even if it's like super tiny, right? Like, I think I broke it. Yeah, I think I broke it. Was it player one? Yeah, yeah, that's silly. Okay, well anyways, the drawing of it seems fine, even if I mess with the scale or anything like that. I don't see how the rotation could mess it up. It's an identity matrix. I think I think that's fine. So we go here. Okay, first thing, let me see if I'm even calling that code. So let's head back. Okay, so there's no widget, I believe it's a null pointer. Yeah, but then the window is not a null pointer, that is a pointer. So yeah, we move on to here, and it's not equal to -1, so we set orthographic to false, yep. Set draw list, set rect. Are these valid? Let me see. Yeah, those look fine to me. Okay. Camera projection. Just a bunch of numbers. I don't really know how to interpret that, but it's fine. I don't know. Yeah. Camera view. It's here, yeah. Trying to think if there's any issues with the camera projection matrix versus, because that could be throwing it off. But I believe the view matrix code is identical. I think I already hashed that out when I was dealing with the editor camera issues earlier in the previous stream. Yeah, I think I already hashed that out. I don't think that's an issue. Yeah, so let's move on. Let's see. Window position. 174, 174, 174. Oh no, that's just the aliases. Why does the stormer so much stuff? I'm assuming it does it. I don't know why you would. I don't know, I'm getting sidetracked. It's not, I'm just... Let's see. Okay, 174 and 259 and a Z is 0. Could the Z mess it up? Ooh, could the Z mess it up? Wait a second. Could the Z mess it up? Well, it's an I'm-GUI thing though. I think it gets drawn on top of the viewport. Maybe I need to change the order in which I draw it. Wait a second. Yeah, hold on. Am I doing something silly? Let me see. So yeah, obviously we're reaching here. The toolbar overlay goes over. This has nothing to do with this. And Gizmo. It's using the local viewport coordinates, so that's not an issue. Yeah. Okay, so I don't think that's an issue. So what is going on? What is the problem? Yeah, transform just a bunch of... Wait, what? Oh, whoa. Okay. Okay, no. Wait, is the default matrix not an identity matrix? Are you kidding me? It must be a zeroed matrix. Oh, you gotta be joking. GLM identity? What is this? Is this like type define? Wait. This one, identity. Yeah, not this, something memory. Okay. ID entity. Sure. Okay, no, I'll just Google it. Well, that's definitely the issue. Because I'm multiplying it by a zero matrix. Okay. GLM identity matrix? Yeah, how do I get this? It does? Wait. Okay, well, you know what? Let's just do this explicitly, and then we'll go from here. Okay, let's try that again. Because there's no way... There's no way you multiply by a position with an identity matrix and you get a zero matrix. Like, what? So confused. What the hell? Okay, yeah, let's... Oh, okay, let's let it pass through. Let's see. Yeah, still getting issues. Let's... Okay, I believe we're in the correct mode. Let's check. Okay, window position. It's this number. Okay. We translate. I'm doing something silly, aren't I? Because mat4 with 1.0 should yield an identity matrix. Okay, here we go. X. Yeah, okay, yeah, this is not identity anymore. Wait. Okay, no, yeah, okay. I got confused for a second. No, this definitely is an identity matrix, and it's got the position on this. Okay, yeah, that checks out. All right, let's keep going. All right, so if it's rotate, and then the snap value, yeah, okay, sure. Okay, now we get the value pointer to the camera view, which is... Yeah, fine. The editor camera is this one, so orthographic camera, that's fine. Let's see. We get the value to the projection matrix, which I'm assuming is valid. Should be valid. Yeah, I don't see any issues with that. The transform matrix looks like it's fine. Local, though. Local. Local? Local. 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 Yeah, local. That could be the problem. Yeah, because in 3D space, you can easily see, you can like rotate around it and see it, right? But if it's local, then it could be flipped and I would never know. But in world space, that shouldn't be an issue because we're axis aligned now. I hope that's the... Okay, let me keep going though, let me see. No, right, no, don't do that. This thing takes forever. Okay.
Hey baby, it's me. I was just calling to chat with you a little bit. I miss you a lot.
What's going on? Bruh. You're killing me, Larry. Okay, maybe the... Is the input not working? I'm pretty sure the input's working, but let me just double check so I'm not being silly. We are hitting this, right? No, it is hitting that, yeah. And then we return true. It's fine, and we were running through the code. No, that's definitely working. Okay. So no, it's definitely supposed to be there. Let me go back really quick. Because yeah, if I don't really have like a good orthographic camera here, but you can kind of see that if it lines up, it drops the third axis, and then you can just move it around like this. This is what I'm trying to get. And this is in local space, which maybe is not the best idea. Wait, actually, let me switch this over to world space. And I'd head over to the normal viewport, change that, see what that does. I'm kind of running out of ideas though. I don't know. All the matrices look fine. I mean, it could be one of the matrices, I guess. Maybe I can compare how I'm using them. You know, inverse something. Maybe I'm just not drawing something? No, but... Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let me get this. Okay, let's switch to world, see what happens. I think I would prefer a world axis line things anyways, versus local. Local's kind of confusing. There's a place for local, but just not right now. There we go. Yeah, axis aligned in all cases. Okay, so that did exactly what I thought it would, which is good. What is going on? Okay, one thing I guess I'll check is if there's a difference between the perspective cameras thing and the orthographic camera. I don't think so though, because wait. Hold on. There is a difference. It's here. If I'm using fixed and I'm doing these calculations. Is there a difference though? If I'm... Just give me a sec, I gotta think. The aspect ratio. Yeah, because this camera goes along here. So this camera, fixed versus aspect ratio, which I realize now is not the greatest distinction name. Fixed gets the bottom left corner is 0 and the top left corner as the camera size. So the absolute location is the bottom left corner, and then the viewport kind of splays out in this direction, if that makes sense. And then in this one we get the half extents, so the camera's more centered, and then we half extent out on the left side, half extent out on the right side, half extent up, half extent down, and the center remains in the center. No, but the thing is, if that was the issue, then I would see it just off. It wouldn't just be not displaying at all. And usually these kind of issues are more of a... These issues are more of a... How do I say? Issue with a projection matrix rather than the view matrix. We do the view, the inverse. We do invert the view matrix immediately. Which maybe is a problem. But I think I do this also with the perspective as well. So I don't see whether it would be a difference. If I can find it, hold on. Recalculate view. Oh, this is a mess, I gotta clean this up. There we go. Yeah, so we do the same thing, we just generate the inverse. So this is what we're passing back, I believe, when we do get view. Get view. I got tired of going through there. Yeah, get view matrix. Get view projection. Okay. Opening two, this is a chatty. Let me just check something really quick. Fix this one. Yeah, that was the other. Okay. I know, sometimes I can't hear when people have notifications. Double checking. Okay. What is going on? I have no clue. Let me check the projection again and see. I don't know. Not the projection, the wait. Got kind of lost for a second. Let's do UI editor viewport. There we go. Head over to draw gizmo. Yeah, get projection. Get view. My VPN's on the fritz again. Let me fix this really quick. Alright, there we go. Oh. World, yeah, the world should be fine. GLM value pointer, transform. Value pointer for the camera view. And data viewport data was fine. Yeah, this transfer matrix seems fine, in my opinion. Let me check. Okay. Okay. So the two main differences I'm kind of thinking at this point is either the window position. That's the one major difference. The window position is different. And the transform calculation is different. I know that they are being calculated, I just don't know. Maybe I threw in a bug or something. Calculate position. Let me take a look at this really quick. What does this do? Takes the viewport width, multiplies it by the screen position. Wait. Hold on. Okay. One way I can test this, I suppose, is I could just comment this out, duplicate it, and then just pass in a math 4. And try that. If anything, that should just be where in the center. Yeah, let's try that. It is nowhere to be seen. Maybe I should read the Gizmo docs and see. Yep, that looks like an identity matrix to me. Yep. This one get into the function. Okay, compute context. Calculate the scale from the camera projection. Okay, sure. Let's head out. Right behind camera. Okay, so just too much calculations, I guess. Transform points. M operation. M using bounds. Local bounds. False. If G context M enabled. Wait. Okay, so this draws the Gizmos. Yeah. Pause this just for a second. Let me see what happens normally, and maybe that'll give me a hint. So when I'm working with this, right? Okay. All right. So compute context. Set delta to identity. G context. It's greater than 0.001. Cam space position is less than 0. Oh, like it's behind it, sure. G context enabled, huh? Was that set in here? Yeah, it must be. Okay, it just draws the translation and it doesn't change it, so that's why it doesn't throw that flag. Okay, yeah, I'm kind of stumped. I'm not sure. It's not drawing it, period. Compute context. M mode. World. View matrix. It's the one provided. Which... yeah, sure. Because it's axis aligned, so it wouldn't have any crazy numbers. If that makes sense. Projection matrix. I should at least use some numbers, right? It's orthographic too, so hopefully it's not too complicated. Yeah. Okay, local. So it's not local, it's world. Translates. What's M model? That's what we're messing with. Does translation mess with this? Okay, no. Model source, model inverse, MVP, we're building up the MVP, okay. Okay, we're calculating inverse, getting the camera directions. Doing a bunch of math for that, yep, compute scale. Transform point, don't know what that means, but I'm assuming it's important. Screen factor, MVP. Right length, yep, I might have to do some what does this do? Okay, let's just get through this function. Actually, let's exit out. Let's hop over here. It's not orthographic. Oh. If it's not orthographic and the cam space, are we on the wrong side of the thing? Oh. Is that what's happening? Oh. Okay. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, because the camera location is in the wrong place. Because I believe the camera is at 0. So that's why it might be earlying out. Yeah. Okay. So maybe I can move the camera? Maybe? Wait. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Hold on. Let me go to the orthographic camera. Let me go to the orthographic camera. Orthographic camera. That could be the reason, actually. So this comes with its own transform, trend, and projection, right? Or the view, right? The view is calculated using the camera size, the near plane, and the far plane. Okay, in this case, the near plane is 1, far plane is 10. And then we have a location, right? And position. And we have a scale, but in this case, the size is... This is the camera size. This is the... I guess the scale of the camera? I don't know, this kind of confuses me, honestly. Oh wait, is this rotation? Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm not gonna worry about it. Okay, but I think I understand what's going on. It's earlying out. It's earlying out because the position's in the wrong place. So I need to go find the default values for here. I gotta put them here. Yeah, and the position is 0, which is technically in the wrong location. Okay, so if I do like -4 to +4, that shouldn't change anything. It's just front and back with the graphic. It'll be fine. Doesn't really matter where I place that. Scale, huh? But I don't know. I don't know what scale has to do with anything. I think I meant rotation with this, but yeah. Because I think this rotates the camera. Actually, yeah, I'm just gonna mess with this for a second. You can just do this. It should rotate the camera. If it does, I'm gonna change it to rotation. But yeah, the camera position, I might need to move back a bit for it to work. Or did I switch to orthographic already? One of the two. I'm hoping one of those works though. So let me go draw a gizmo. Did I set it to true already? It's still false. Okay. Yep. Okay, so if I open it up, it should be rotate. Yep. Okay. Yeah. It's still broken. I know. All right. So yeah, the scale is a misnomer. I really hope I'm onto something because this is kind of annoying. Okay. There we go. Okay, so I think if I... Wait. I forgot which direction the axis lies. I think if I want to go backwards, I go negative. I can check that by just going into the viewport and taking a look. It's interesting that it early's out based on the camera's position. Which I suppose makes sense, but what if the camera, what if you have like some odd, I mean, I guess it needs to make some assumptions to optimize. Let me see where I'm at right now. 141. Yeah, hopefully I can finish this soon. Okay, so I'll move this back. Okay, this is becoming positive. Okay. So I guess position, the Z-axis, we're gonna do this and see what happens. Everything should still be in the within the projection matrix, or in the NBB matrix. Everything should still exist inside of it. Rotated, okay. Yeah, let me not do that. It's still broken though. Kind of annoying, but I'll see why. Maybe I need to do -1. Try that, and also not do this, yeah. And maybe I can still check why it's earlying out, I guess? I don't know. Ooh. Let's see. Okay, I'm still broken. It's really annoying, but I guess so. Okay, let's see if it's still, or why it's still early out. Manipulate. Okay. Cam space position. Okay, where did behind camera? The Z is 0. Oh, wait a second. I just remembered. Oh yeah. Okay. So you want to do this? My bad. And if that's the case, I also feel like it's probably 1. Still nope. That'd be kind of annoying, but let's see. Okay, let's see if I changed any of the numbers inside of the calculation. Let's go right here. Okay, I did. Or wait, no, I didn't. Hold on. Wait, no, is it still 0? Are you kidding me? Transform point. MVP. Also, why? This is. Let's see. What? Wait, this is the MVP, huh? Full view. Oh, that's just the matrix, okay. Transform points. Okay, so we're transforming this point based on this MVP. Okay. Oh, okay. If it's not orthographic and camera space, okay, and I also understand this is using the MVP, which should just work. This isn't based on the position. So now I understand that doing this actually does nothing. Well, that's great. Z is less than, though. Well, why would the Z be less than, though? Wait. GLM translate. I don't get it. I do not get it. Make it 3 or 2 or whatever I had it back then. We'll keep it 3. We'll keep it 3. Okay, yeah, I'm kind of running out of ideas. I mean, I suppose I can put it back to true. See if that does anything. Maybe there's something wrong with this calculation. One thing I can check is maybe engine components, because I believe in here. Yeah. Here, transform. I do a GLM. Yeah, like this translates. Oh, an identity matrix, and then scale off an identity matrix. And we just multiply it. Return that, yeah. Quaternions for rotations and whatnot, and we're good. Hmm. Is the projection off? Okay, let me put this back to being 1, and that way the translation can just be at the origin. Okay, I'm gonna mess with a few things really quick. Let me just make all these transform. So everything in the identity matrix. Hopefully it's in the center. Let's see. Okay, yeah, okay, so now it's, okay, so it is displaying. That's nice to see. Okay. So let's try the none. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, that's not tied to the toast, which actually is probably a good idea. Okay, so let's put back the camera view and then see if that's what's messing it up, maybe. And if not, maybe I'll put the projections, see if the projections what's messing it up. We'll go one by one. We'll see. This, okay, well, let me see. Oh. Okay, wait, let me just try the projection by itself. Let's try that. It could be the view, actually. This is the view. I'm gonna make this transform. And then this is gonna be the camera projection. I think the camera projection is fine. So it's probably the view that's messing it up. Interesting. None. Sure. So, what's going on with that? I got the view matrix. So camera, the position of the camera is messed up, I guess. Oh, wait. So this is the view. So when we add in the projection brings it over to the bottom left. Which makes sense based on the calculations we had. Now let's bring back this. Let's bring back. Let's bring back this really quick. Oh, wait a second. No, it's gonna mess everything up. I gotta make sure this is a... map for empty transform. Map 4, and then we're gonna do that 0f. Transform. Let's try that again. Yeah, because the projection calculates the size and everything. The transform is just the position. So if we are centered at 0, the transform remains at 0. For the view. Okay. It's the view matrix. Yeah, it's the view matrix. Something's going on with that. Hold on. Yeah, the camera view's making it like not work. Get the view matrix, recalculate view. We translate it and then rotate it. Based on some quaternion stuff. And then we provide the inverse. Maybe. I don't know why that would fix it, but let's see, I guess. Okay, well, yeah, it's a bit off, but at least it's trying, I guess. A. Let's uninverse it. It works now. What? 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 I'm going crazy. What did I do? I didn't do anything. What? Is my engine gaslighting me? Hold on. Hold on. Let me do this. I'm gonna be right back. It's gonna build error. Which one didn't build? Editor testing. Oh, it needs to. All right. Okay. Sure. I was like, I could have swore everything built earlier. Yeah, no, it's one of those build scripts issues. Yeah, and it was just editor testing that needed the update too. Oh. Alright, put this back. Okay. So it works. I don't know why it wasn't working for so long. But you know what? I'm not gonna question it. I'm just gonna be happy that it works. Alright, so let's see. Let's see if I can set the position now of the window. Actually, shouldn't be that hard, to be honest. Make sure it still works. Yep. Cool. Alright, nice. So we're gonna go to wherever we have this calculate position thing. And then we're gonna do a set position. Position. And what we need is a math back 2. And we need these viewport widths. Oh, it sets. Wait. How about this? Calculates world position. To be more specific, I suppose. Oh, these ones I don't want to mess with. What are these? This is widget, window translation. Yeah, no. That's proportional location. I don't know what to call this. calculates window position, I guess. Calculate screen position. Math. Okay, there we go. Okay, and it's going to be basically the opposite of this. So we're going to do math vec3, and the first one is going to be grab my basic algebra. So if A times B is equal to C, right? So width times pause is equal to world. Width times pause is equal to world. Okay, so we have the world, and we have yeah, so we had the viewport width, we have this, we want this, so we do viewport width is equal to wait. We want pause alone. Okay. This is what we want. So we want the world divided by viewport. Alright, so the world position dot x divided by viewport width. World position dot y divided by viewports height. And then this is just going to be atmosphere position, because I'm not modifying that. Okay, easy calculation. So now we're going to say, if I can find it, yeah, window screen position is equal to window calculates screen position. I need the world position, which is going to be translation.x, translation, no. It's going to be math vec2 translation.x translation.y what's wrong with this one? Oh. Viewport width, so this, I guess. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna do this, this, and this. get rid of that. Alright, so I think with this, it should actually update the position. Let's see though. I think. And then I can worry about widgets in a second. Be mute for a second. That's going crazy, man. Oh my. I'm just moving up my table right now. It's done. Let's see. Okay. So take a look if it works. Yep. Nice. Cool. So we got a gizmo. Sick. Might add a scaling gizmo later. Let's see. I don't understand how that gizmo works, but I'm not questioning too much. Nice, and you can even see it like resizing there. All right, so let's see if we can get widgets working. So if not window, then we return, yeah, and then we say if not widget and that, then we do for the window, right? There we go. All right, now this is going to be a bit different for the widget. How about this? If or gizmo is equal to -1. We can get rid of this here. And then we'll say if widget, if not widget, sure. We'll say else. And this will be the widget. Guess I'll just leave that alone. All right, so window position, right? Now we're gonna do math vec3 for widget position. Is it really? No, just calculate position. And screen position. No, it's this window position. Oh yeah, we do need to calculate this though. So I'll say math vec3 window size is equal to this. Because we do need this for the calculation. Window size. All right. All right, and then here, all we have to do is get the transform. Is now widget position. I think it's gonna be as easy as that. This is gonna be a bit more complicated though. So let me comment this out for a second. And let's just see if the widget's being placed at the correct location. Yep, good. This should not work though. Oh, because it's clicking on here. Oh yeah. Okay. I see the issue. It's something I solved in the viewport panel, I think. And that was why I had this here. All right. Let's head down here. Let's go check out wherever I handle this. If is item hovered is and yeah, whatever this does, I'm not even sure, but I'm pretty sure it works. We have a ton of nested if statements. But yeah, that should fix that issue. Yeah, what are you doing? Stop it. There we go. Nice. Cool. This one works, but this one doesn't. So just got to figure out how to recalculate that. This one's gonna be way more complicated though. So let's see. But hopefully not too bad. Let's see. So this is calculate world position. Yeah. Calculate world position, right? Let's go here. And yeah, it's this big old function. Which I'm gonna have to invert. It should be fun. Yeah, it should be fun. Let's see. Anyways, we're gonna have a math vec3. It's not gonna be screen position, it's gonna be window position. The window size. Basically the same thing as this. But yeah, we're going to be provided world position, so that's still accurate. And let's go ahead and do this. Alright, so the idea is we are going to be given the world position, which is what we're returning here. Widget y pause. Plus translation, yeah, all this jazz. So we're given this part, and similar to the last one, we need to get this part. Depending on if we're doing pixels versus percentages, and yeah, then we did change the right. Yeah, this is gonna get complicated. I can already see it. Okay, so. Let's see, window translation plus widget position. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna need to work backwards. So the first thing is we're going to be provided the things, window translation plus widget position. So now we're going to do float position X and position Y. Okay. So position X is going to be world position minus window translation .x. And then Y pause, you can probably guess it's going to be just the Y variant of this. Okay. Okay, so now we have the Y position. We need to figure out a few things. Yeah, this just checks if we're doing percentage versus pixel. Yeah, so this will be the last thing. This one, we need to invert them. So, if anything, it's the exact same thing. It's just we're doing opposite operations. So for this, right? The center. Let me think. Is equal to brain. Might actually need to write some of these equations down, huh? Okay. Yeah, let me see my whiteboard really quick. Where did I put that? I'll be right back. All right, algebra to the rescue. All right. So we have this one, which is I'll say X initial. I'm just write it out. I'll write it out once I get it fully done, but it's equal to WSX times 0.5 plus X final minus. I need a bigger whiteboard. Yeah, I gotta erase some of this stuff. Give me like 5 minutes. I'm gonna write out the equations and then I'll just put them directly in. So yeah, just give me like 5 minutes. Be back. Okay, I think I got the first equation. So this one is now going to be widget x pause is equal to. Actually, can I read my equation? I don't know. I think it's widget x pause. Yeah, minus, and then we're gonna put some quotes. Is that widget size? Yeah, I think it's widget. I don't know, was it window size? Hold on. Okay, it's window size and M size. So W size is window size. Dot x times 0.5f plus M size times window size x divided by 2. Okay, yeah. I think they get what I'm trying to do. Alright, so we need to check that's right. Is equal to minus and then plus. Yeah, those. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that makes sense. Okay, cool. So he's. Move this one over. Move this over. Minus this part plus this part. Yeah, no, that's right. That's right. Okay. This one. Let's see, it's this one. We do minus this and plus this. Yep, that inverts it. That does invert it. Okay, cool. So now that we've inverted it, we want to return. If I can guess what I want. Not quite. Let's try though. I need to bring this over. To vec3. So it's going to be a vec3. Okay, wait. So I'm gonna say widget x pause is equal to there we go. Divided by that, or else you just return it straight. Wait, I mean, again, we'll do if is equal to percent. Widget x pause, widget y pause, and then whatever the default y value for this is, right? I don't know. I guess I'll just make it 0 as 0 for now, but hopefully it doesn't cause any issues. Actually, yeah, we're just returning it, so we can decide what to send out later. Okay, here we go. Nice. Alright, hopefully this works. It'll be kind of annoying to debug this. So here, we're going to do map vec3 screen position. Yeah, I would agree with that. We're providing, yeah, wait, no. Nice try. It's widget. Let's calculate window position. This still applies, but this is going to be the window position. Window position. And that's going to be window size. There we go. Get rid of that. And water. Sure. That beats widget. And now we're going to say if widgets underscore x position type is equal to time y. Yeah, just like pixel or percent, and then we're going to do percent. If it equals percent. No, we don't have to do that. We just do widgets x pixel percent is equal to, out of this, just do screen position x. Dot x. Else widgets m pixel position dot x is equal to screen position dot x. Okay. Can you guess what else? Yeah, there we go. Widgets x position. Okay, so this should update it properly. All right, let's try it. See if it works. Alright, hopefully I can call this widget, this Gizmo stuff, done right now. I did not expect this to take 3 hours. But I guess it is what it is. Well, maybe it's because I said orthographic is true. That could be the reason why it works now. I don't know. Yep. There we go. Nice. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, if I change it to left. Yeah, it's relative to the left side. Nice. Yeah, definitely working. Hell yeah. Okay, cool. Looks like that's working. I am super happy, honestly. Yeah, no, this definitely works. You can move around the UI. It's nice and clean. You can see. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, one thing I might want maybe is adding like pixel extents. Also, some window constraints would be nice as well. But I think it's fine. I don't think I need to worry about that right now. I guess if I need to add it, I'll just go ahead and add it. But yeah, I'll call Gizmos in. Yep, Gizmos are in. Hell yeah. Ooh. Alright. So I guess I'll go ahead and commit. Is this really the only change? Oh. Change. World gizmo type. And ViewportPanel.cpp. Yeah, and I think I might call it after this. Honestly, I'm kind of hungry. Today I feel like it's kind of like a slow start type of day, if that makes sense. I might just work on some Linux on my own after this, and then tomorrow, hopefully I'll get a little bit more energy and I can do a longer stream. I mean, plus I mainly wanted to get Gizmos today, and I think working on the next section is gonna take a lot out of me as far as adding in like text and whatnot. So let me go to my progress board. I'll show you. Or I guess we can just update where we're at. So I'll move this gizmo to being done. And this is going to be a decent amount of work. There's going to be a lot of constraining things into the correct locations. I might have to add like an auto sizer for the text so that it can automatically scale to the appropriate size, you know. And probably a few other things. There's probably some considerations I might want to Google and see what I want to do. Those are the two main things, though. Just make sure everything can kind of be written out properly. Oh yeah, and I want to change probably the editor UI for inputting text so that I can have more of like a paragraph text thing. If that makes sense. Instead of it just being one line, I can edit it as a paragraph. I think those are the main things I need from it, but actually doing those things is going to probably take a decent amount of work because text rendering is annoying. So we'll see how that goes. I kind of changed this, but it's, to be honest. Yeah, -2, -3. Potato. Okay, the main thing is I add Gizmos to UIEditorViewportPanel. Page for window /width. Let's do this. I mean, that's mainly what I did, to be honest. Trying to see if there's anything in particular that was. No, that's pretty much it for that one. What about window? This is a refactor, nothing crazy though. Oh yeah, I guess so. So calculate roll position. Ability to invert. Yeah, add ability to invert. World position. To screen/window. Position. Windows and widgets and runtime UI.h. That's a good feature to have there. And Gizmos to runtime UI. Yeah. All right. So I think that's good. And yeah, I think I'm gonna call it today. I'm really hungry. Well, I'm gonna go relax and eat for a bit. And yeah, I might work on Linux, so I'll see. But yeah, I think that's it for me today. Let me see if there's anything else I should do. I didn't modify the game code at all. Progress board's updated. I should stream tomorrow, and I'm seeing a reason why I shouldn't. So I'll be on around the same time. If I do end up not being on, I will put that in my schedule, but I should be on tomorrow. Yeah, and I think that's about it. So if you're on stream and you've been watching this whole time, I appreciate you so much. It's pretty quiet stream, but I've seen some people hop in and out. But yeah, if you've been here, I really appreciate you coming by and seeing what I'm doing. And if you're on YouTube, thanks for watching the video. I hope you have a good night or day. whatever time you guys are watching this. And yeah, I think that's about it. So yeah, later.